So I'm currently here at a festival called Into the Wild, just south of London. It's been a beautiful day. Stopped in a really nice bell tent last night, so I had a good start today. It's just me and my daughter and the dog, so we're all here enjoying the festival vibe. And this morning, the first workshop was a breathwork workshop, so really quite powerful. And it kind of got me thinking, well, I've trained with 3 or 4 different kind of big named people who facilitate breathwork, and I've run some breathwork shops, and some of them was prior to lockdown, and I haven't really done too much since. And so it got me thinking, yeah, actually, you know, it's a good reminder about doing more, and of course, you know, I'm doing these videos, but to be in front of sort of like people again, and running workshops in person is something that's really quite dear to me. And as I say, you know, it could be in person or it could be online. So what I want to be doing more is contributing. And the second workshop that was just finished about an hour or so ago, that was all to do with sorry, my low battery just came on. Festival. That was all to do with unconditional love, and again, you know, there was quite a few non-violent communication kind of tools in there. There was quite a few tools that was used in the Hoffman process, and there's all these tools that I've worked with before and actually run kind of small workshops regarding. It just makes me think, you know, how much wisdom have I got, and how much could actually be contributing at festivals, in person where I live in Totnes, or even sort of like, you know, the days that I'm back in Hull, you know, to run a workshop. You know, it makes it, you know, it's a no-brainer. This is what I thrive on doing, and you know, I think by putting myself in front of this camera on this daily basis throughout this challenge has really helped me to appreciate myself, actually, as to how far I've come, and how far, you know, how much more I want to be doing. And you know, one of my very first videos, or second or third video, I think it was always talking about the learn, teach, learn. So as you learn something to actually master it, it's about teaching it, and as you teach it, you actually learn. So that's mastery for me. You know, that really is sort of like honing that gift and actually contributing as well by sharing that wisdom. So in the spirit of sharing, what I'm going to be offering, I'm feeling very, yeah, absolutely enthusiastic about this, is that shortly after this 50-day challenge is finished, I'll be running a free 1 hour Zoom breathwork workshop. So please put yes below to say that you want in, and I will contact you all nearer the time, and of course I'll do a reminder nearer the time. But yeah, I'm putting myself out there offering that for free, and those that join the free Zoom call, I'll also be picking one random name to actually do a free one-on-one session with them as well. So it's a way of me just sort of like making that offering, but also and for free, but also just letting you know that, you know, I am doing these kinds of teachings and transformational work. So for me, breath work is very transformational, and the particular breath work that I'm fond of was the one that I did this morning, which was more of the conscious connected breathing, where it's just more of a circular one. And for me, I get really energized. I'm just vibrating, full of energy, and that's where alchemy for me takes place. That's where the transformation takes place. So yeah, as I say, put yes down in the comments below, and I will include you on the free Zoom shamanic breath workshop. So looking forward to that. So yeah, any questions regarding this or the content I've just shared today, please get in touch, and I will speak to you on the next video. Ciao for now.